So today I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is launch the TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page. Go to the three-line button in the top right corner, tap on it, and from the little menu that pops up, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy, and then scroll down and you should see blocked accounts. Tap on this and you'll see a list of everyone you've blocked on TikTok. So to unblock someone, just tap on the unblock button on the right side of the name, and that's it. You have now unblocked that user. Now another way you can unblock a user is by simply finding their profile. So it's going to be very difficult to find their profile, but just go to the search function and start typing their name or username. And then as you can see, I have this user that I've blocked, and I can just, of course, I cannot see their content because they are blocked, but I can see their profile picture and their name, number of followers, number of people they're following, and also likes. So to unblock, simply tap on that button. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to unblock? Tap on unblock. And that's it. So these are two different ways of unblocking someone on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.